there is an entire chapter in Kitab al-Kafi called Babu Man Akala Mimma Saqata Anil Khiwan. Basically what it means is the chapter of those who eat food leftovers. There are multiple traditions in that chapter which talk about the reward of eating leftover food. One of those traditions is the Imam says, someone went to the house of the 6th Imam. He said, we had food. We then, after we finished, we took all the plates back to the kitchen, and the Imam started eating leftover food from the floor. So I said, Ya Ibn Rasulullah, why are you doing this? The Imam said, don't you know? Doing so, the one hadith says, has 60 benefits. Another hadith says, if you do this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ensure you and your children will never get poor. Then the Imam says, you will have many children. In other words, your descendants will be multiplied. Another hadith says, إِنَّهُ شِفَاءٌ مِّن كُلِّ دَاءٍ. It's a tradition by the Commander of the Faithful. It's a cure from every disease if you truly believe and if you do it with the intention of satisfying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Eating leftover food. I'm saying this at a time when in the United States of America, the world's greatest country, 50% of food that is purchased in supermarkets and brought home goes to waste. 50%. And I don't think our households, or at least the households of Muslims in general, are any better than that. The amount of food that goes to waste. I've seen ulama, after the food is picked up, they then go and pick up the individual strains of rice and they put them in their mouth. It's a source of healing and indemnity. You see, every little bit is accounted for. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you for the good. And some of the bad, He will also punish us for.